How do you fix robotic kit power supply issues? Imagine your robot coming to life, then suddenly going dark. Frustrating, right? Power supply problems are common in assembling robotic kits, but they are fixable. Let's walk through how to troubleshoot and solve these issues step by step. First, start by inspecting the power source and all connections. Make sure the power supply is plugged in securely and providing the right voltage. Most robotic kits need a power supply that delivers between 5 and 12 volts, depending on the components. Check that the power switch is turned on and that any emergency stop buttons are disengaged. Next, verify the polarity of the connections. Reversed polarity can prevent the robot from powering up or cause unstable behavior. The positive wire should connect to the positive terminal and the negative wire to the negative terminal. Use a multimeter to double-check the polarity if you're unsure. Now look over all cables, wires, and connectors. Loose or damaged wires can interrupt power flow. If you find any frayed or broken wires, replace them immediately. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. If your kit uses batteries, check their charge level. If batteries are dead or weak, recharge or replace them. Some kits requiring batteries to be inserted correctly, so confirm they are aligned properly and making good contact. If your robot still refuses to turn on or behaves erratically, test the power supply with a multimeter. Set the multimeter to measure voltage and connect it across the power output terminals. If the voltage is below the required level, the power supply might be faulty. In that case, try using a different compatible power supply to see if the issue persists. Check the onboard power management components, like power switches and control boxes. Sometimes a switch might be faulty or stuck. Make sure the switch functions correctly and is not damaged. Avoid holding the power button down for too long, as some control units shut down if pressed for more than a few seconds. For kits with servos or motors, ensure the power supply can handle the current draw. Multiple servos running at once can demand more power than the supply can provide, causing resets or failure to operate. Test each servo individually to see if any are drawing excessive current or causing issues. Finally, examine the mechanical assembly. If parts are misaligned or jammed, motors may strain or stall, drawing extra current. This can be mistaken for power issues. Make sure all moving parts are properly aligned and free of obstructions. In summary, fixing power supply issues involves checking connections, ensuring correct voltage and polarity, testing or replacing the power supply, inspecting wiring and batteries, verifying the power management components, and confirming the mechanical parts are not causing overloads. Following these steps carefully will help your robotic kit run smoothly and reliably during building and prototyping.